Hello, good day everyone, and today I will present this um, my task about school property system under the school management system. So my database, or the database of my, let's say, my assigned database is the property, and then I have provided the table, the property ID, the emitter number, classification, item name, manufacturer, model of item, serial number, specification, cost of acquisition. So I will show this on how we're going to manipulate. So to start, we will begin to creating our account. So we will try to log in, and then let we look at if naka-register na ba, if already registered na ba yung account niya. So Jefferson, and then password natin is 123456. try natin to log in. So my password invalid, username may violation pa tayo. So we are going to sign up. So this person is, tapos Jefferson, and then 123456 123456. Our type is user. So user, try to register. So account is fully registered. If we try to register our username, 123455, okay, password is 123456. So my user account is pending, so that this is the admin will approve my pending account. So we will try to open our admin account. So 123456 again. So again, we can go to manage. So this is our account created, which is pending. So the admin account can approve her account. So approve, update, record, updated successfully. So the account of the person was approved. Now we will try to log out and log in to that account. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the sidebar, side navigation, the manage user not displayed, because this account is only for user account. So that's also, we are going to add an item of this school property. So okay, but before that, we'll try to forget password. We try to use this one, forget password. If this finds okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, password updated successful. So we'll try to log in back. our account and 1 2 3 4 okay. I will directly to our dashboard. So hi person, welcome to your dashboard. So we'll try to provide property, add property. So I like to add property number. So classification is office equipment. This is print scanner, and then XP, and then model is XP, something like that. Random serial number and specification with like to heavy duty. Heavy duty. Okay. Okay. Sorry for that interruption. So again, for classification, office equipment, printer and scan, and then manufacturer it's XP, model XP, serial number, random number, and choose that, then acquisition about 14,000. New property added. Okay, so let me see. So this item will, or the item will were added recently. So we just finished the add button. So now we will try this edit button. For that, I will try to edit this one. Information announcement, phone, XP, Huawei, then P30, model natin P30, serial number, blah blah blah. Property updated successfully. Okay, we see that the classification has changed, the item name, then the model, serial number, and then we'll try to remove this one. So after that we can delete, edit. After that we can try this one. We try to delete. So are you sure you want to delete this? Okay, yes. Okay. Oh, the item is already removed. Yeah. So the user, and also I have provided this one, the dashboard, that count of the user and how many users that registered. Then you can clickable that one. Properties. Okay, never mind for this because we do not have this functionality yet, but in the future we can improve this one. So now back to our admin. Okay, so now we are back on our admin panel. So the manage user is displayed in the side so that they can manage the user and they can approve the user, and then you can delete, update, or you can also use this one to delete. Okay, you can delete this one, and also this is my code so far. So I have login table, tables login, the index, the code, the code property, the code functionality here. So that's my coding. Some functionality we have using JavaScript. We have used JavaScript to pull out the information from the table, and from that table going to our modal, so that we could edit modal, put that into input element. And so we have some function here, and some alert. So that's okay. So this offline, we have provide. I already upload this on the pre-hosting site, so I have already uploaded this one. So the dashboard, and then the manage user, then approve. So all of that is functional. Ready to go. You can back to login. And so we'll try to use this user account. User. Okay. So the user cannot click the manage user. So for now, that's all, and thank you for watching. See you